We started.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Speak to Me. This is the new edition, and the new edition is always featuring young achievers, the achievers right from different course of their professional life and making people inspire to do something that they want and what they believe to do in their life. Speak to Me मेरो फेसबुक पेजमा हरेक शुक्रबार र शनिबार 4 बजेबाट हामीले लाइभ ब्रोडकास्ट गरिरहेका छौँ र आफ्टर देन अन रेकर्डेड भर्सन विल बी अपलोडेड अन माई युट्युब च्यानल as well as the YouTube channel of clavernepal.com. Clavernepal.com is a promotional partner for this program. And as usual, we have someone to share the screen, someone to speak to me. And the lady right sharing the screen is one who achieved the goal not only once but twice in the pageantry. The lady was been awarded as Mrs. Nepal International 2018, organized by Ribbon Entertainment Private Limited. And in the same year, she proudly represented Nepal at TKS Mrs. International 2018 at Singapore and proudly represented Nepal and earned the category of award, the major award called TKS Mrs. Asia Pacific 2018 and also subcategory Mrs. Friendly International. We have a gorgeous lady sharing with us the screen and not leading anything else that is not being delayed. We welcome the lady we have to speak to me is Chanda Thapagiri. Chandaji, welcome to the show.
Namaste. Namaste, everyone. Namaste, Rosinji. Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm so thankful.
So being the winner of two major competitions, right from domestic scene to international scene back in 2018, र 2 वर्ष हुन आँट्यो. So यो बिचमा त्यो दुईटै इभेन्ट्सहरूलाई समअप गर्दाखेरि how you started journey in domestic pageant, it was planned हो कि that someone motivated you to be the part of beauty pageant, or you initially said yes, I'm waiting for something good and the right platform is next to me and why not to join? So त्यो हिसाबले हो कि yeah, it was on planned.
Actually, to start from the beginning, I would like to share my thought of as a woman, we have to speak for ourselves. We have to stand for ourselves. I learned, and begin gardakheri, I was the one who was like scrolling the Facebook. I didn't know there was any kind of pageant for like married women. And this was really a new thing, and I saw Ribbon Entertainment like organizing 4th season of Mrs. Nepal, and which really like I was really in a shock, and I thought like, okay, this was a platform for married women, and this is really a new thing, and I definitely need to try when you feel. And then again, I went through it, and then I got to know choreography, public speaking, and like there were so many things. And I am a greedy person when I am to learn something. Just like some I'm so much into it, and I thought, yeah, I should definitely give it a try. Around 6-7 years, I was at home and I was not going anywhere. And I have two sons, and I was taking care of them. And I thought I need to go for it. And then I talked to my family, and who definitely they were not convinced at the very initial phase. And it is they told that this is really a new thing for us. In our family, nobody has been in some kind of entertainment business or pageantry lines or. So it was quite a tough thing for me to convince them, though they supported me as saying, okay, if that's your wish, give it a try and you will get to learn something bhani. If you are into it, then please go through it bhanera भन्नुभयो. And then I signed the form and like filled the form, everything, and then I just jumped into it.
Okay, when audition was there, audition room ma जाँदाखेरि judges were screening, preliminary screening गरिरहेको हुन्थ्यो हैन. So the questions you faced, the way you answered, and then you find out the contestants waiting for auditions. So what was the feeling? So will you be just the feeling after would I be compete with all the ladies who are going to be the contestant for this competition? Or let's give a try भने यहाँ some आइसकेको छु अब try गरौँ जे हुन्छ let's go on भनेर जानु.
I know what happened was audition ma jandakeri we were few groups एकैछिनमा हाम्रो group of girls को friendship भइहाल्यो and bonding भइहाल्यो. And we had that fear of facing the judges, and judges like भेट्दाखेरि judges were so cool, like it was not like a typical interview kind of thing. अनि आफ्नो family को बारेमा सोध्नु भयो. And then Sunil sir was so funny. He asked me, आफ्नो family सँग राम्रोसँग कुरा गरेको छ अनि भन्नुभयो. And then I told, yeah, my husband agreed with this. अनि family बाट support छ भन्दाखेरि अनि he was kind of funny person. अनि उहाँले चाहिँ के भन्नुभयो भने म सोध्छु नि फोन गरेर तपाईको हस्बेन्डलाई भनेर सोध्नुभयो. It was really a funny audition and I didn't feel like I was going for any हुन्छ नि tough thing मा गएको जस्तो feel भएन. They made me feel so comfortable. And yeah, and its journey began that way. अब त्यसरी नै audition लिएपछि अनि I was quite confident. I confidently gave answer and yeah, I got selected. That was the big news for me.
So as the process of grooming resumed by any grooming process अगाडि बढ्दै जाँदाखेरि 1 week, 2 week, बिस्तारै चाहिँ weeks pass, days pass, but you could understand your potential as well as you understood the potential of the fellow contestants. So कुन मोमेन्टमा आएर तपाईलाई फिल भयो कि now this is where I might be finding myself in top 5 मा त पुग्छु because comparing yourself with the contestants within 2-3 weeks that makes you come in one conclusion. So त्यस्तो किसिमको फिलिङ डेभलप भयो कि हैन अब कन्टेस्ट लड्नको लागि आको सिक्दै पनि छु लड्दै पनि छु ग्रान्ड फिनाले आफ्नो ठाउँमा छँदैछ जे हुन्छ देखा जाएगा भन्ने त्यो मोडमा आयो कि अगाडिको मोडको जुन कुरा गरेर you figure something yes now this competition is somewhere between 5 us or 7 of us त्यस्तो के फिल भयो
मलाई चाहिँ कहिले पनि जित्छु भनेर म केही पनि ट्राई गर्दिन केही चीज हासिल गर्छु भनेर केही पनि ट्राई गर्दिन I always believe in learning सिकिन्छ भन्ने कुरामा मात्रै म फोकस थिए अनि एभ्री डे I used to be on time कुनै दिन पनि म डिले गर्ने लेजी गर्दिन थिए किनभने the training was so entertaining सरहरूले दिनुभएको क्लासहरू was really fun किनभने it was something that I dreamt when I was a teenager or before getting married हैन अनि that came to me that came to my life after having kids and which was really a very important factor for me and I really gave my 100% on each and every day अनि कम्पिटिसन को फिल भएन तर पछि लास्ट तिर जाँदै गएपछि साथीमा थोरै एउटा त्यो त हुने ह्युमन टेन्डेन्सी हुन्छ नि त्यो हुन थालेको थियो दो अब जित्छु हार्छु भन्दा पनि I never felt it as competition. I just felt it as learning session or learning thing and yeah it was really fun अनि top 5 मा पुग्ने top 3 मा पुग्ने त मेरो सोचै थिएन I didn't know why I was so confident that I कि त जित्छु कि त केही सिक्छु भन्ने मात्रै थियो
So within that training period, lots of things happen. Grooming process, you changes mentally, and you groomed yourself psychologically as well. Training module. So within that period, I recall what was the most memorable thing that you learned that is still been applying in your life?
Memorable thing during training, I know.
अझै पनि तपाईलाई याद आउँछ र त्यो कुरा अहिले पनि you are applying in your life.
Yeah, Birendra Hamal sir ko class was so good. I literally cried meditation गर्दाखेरि. I don't know why I dived deeply into his words and which made me cry and I cried so hard. कस्तो feel भयो के कति अब हामीहरु बाहिर निस्केको हुँदैन there are so many things हाम्रो childhood देखि सबै recall गर्दाखेरि that made मी हुन्छ नि हामी कस्तो स्थितिमा आइसक्यो कस्तो समयमा आइसक्यो भन्ने कुरा रियलाइज भएको थियो त्यो मेडिटेसन क्लासमा एन्ड आई क्राइड वीरेन्द्र हमाल सर नोज दिस भेरी वेल अनि त्यो क्लासमा चाहिँ मैले के जाने भने जिन्दगी फेरिरहेको छ समय बदलिरहेको छ सधैँ एकै नासको हुँदैन तर हामीले पोजिटिभ भएर कुनै चिजलाई लिएर हिँड्छौँ भने पहिलाको कुरालाई पनि साथमा लिँदै पछि आउने कुराहरू र जिन्दगीमा त्यो बिचमा भएका दौरानको कुराहरूलाई पनि साथमा लिँदै अगाडि बढ्यो भने चाहिँ लाइफ बिकम्स रियली ब्युटिफुल एन्ड सिम्पल जस्तो फिल भयो त्यो चाहिँ एन्ड द्याट मेड मी द्याट गेभ अ भेरी बिग डिफरेन्स इन माई लाइफ
Okay. So तपाईँले यो कुरा भनिरहँदाखेरि I do recall होइन because I am also one of the student of वीरेन्द्र हमाल sir during theater acting somewhere early टाइममा जाँदाखेरि नाचघरमा he was been mentor र तपाईँले जुन सेसन लिनुभयो पिजिटमा सिमिलर काइन्ड अफ सेसन युज टु ह्याभ र अहिले मलाई केही कुराहरू याद आयो तपाईँले भनेको कुराबाट सो अहिले भने अलिकति पज लिन्छौँ वी हेभ अ सेगमेन्ट वान वर्ड सेगमेन्ट भन्ने छ So I'll be asking you the questions and you need to try to answer the question at least one word ma सकेसम्म try गर्नु होला. So let's start this segment.
Okay.
How you define life in one word? How you define life in one word?
Struggle.
Okay. School life in one word.
Sorry?
School life. How you define school life?
Grooming time.
Okay. College life.
Knowing life.
Okay. Then married life.
Married life. Defining life matters time say.
Okay. So how you define love in one word?
Magic.
Romance.
Romance is like what to say? Define romance is entertainment.
Okay. Being mother, one word.
Being mother.
How you yeah.
Friendship.
Okay. Being a pageant winner.
But being a pageant winner is what to say? Being a pageant winner, what I can say is happy moment.
Okay. One word that makes you happy.
What makes me happy? But I need to learn that. What makes me happy in one word, and it's quite tough. Family.
Okay. One word that makes you feel sad.
One word that makes me feel sad is suicide.
Okay. One word that makes you angry.
Discouraging people.
Okay. One word that defines you the most.
Free bird.
One word that is not you.
Selfish.
So you spell your name Chanda. So how you put words for each alphabets of your initials? So Chanda. So alphabets ma afno words rakhnu paryo भने that would be more connected to you. So which words would you pick up?
Which word will be tough?
Which word you are going to put on for Chanda? C stands for
Cinderella.
H stands for
Happy.
A stands for
Anxious.
N stands for?
N stands for never giving up.
Okay. D stands for?
Daring.
And last one, A stands for?
A stands for accepts everything.
Okay, well said. So let's move on to other segment where we will be sharing something that might be hidden talent of you. After we look on these things.
Okay.
आज म सँगै छोरा कदछ कुनै दिन यस्तो आउला आँसु छला तिमी तर्फिला तर नसक्नु
यो बाटो तिमीसँग हिँड्दा हिँड्दै जानी नजानी तिम्रो हात समाउँदै बगलमा बसी तिम्रो मुस्कुराउँदै मायाका गीतहरू
Okay, your nice moment, sir. So your TikTok, is it because lockdown or fursat थियो या तपाईलाई acting मा केही नै interest थियो, that is why it came up?
Acting मा interest थियो तर TikTok चाहिँ त्यस्तो I don't think that I can like give time for TikTok, you know. TikTok is something you need a lot of time, dedication just to feel भयो मलाई, and I am not the one who can like spend so much time in TikTok. So acting मा चाहिँ I really have very much interest in.
Okay. So the thing called pageant मा winner भइसकेपछि opportunities creates, हैन, pageant आफै पनि opportunity हो. So meanwhile तपाईमा acting को interest पनि थियो भने कहीं कतै co-related modeling is there. So कहीं कतै सोच्नु भएको छ कि अब म modeling गर्छु या त्यस्तो केही offer आएको छ तपाईलाई?
Modeling I would never like to do that. पहिला चाहिँ modeling is not something I want to do. I would like to be working on my own brand, which is a fashion brand, and I would only go for that. Modeling garera time eta ra uta bhanda chai I definitely focus on my own like career.
So to moment when you have been announced Mrs. Nepal International 2018. So to moment la अहिले recall गर्दाखेरि does it त्यो moment उतिखेर जब goosebumps feel गर्नु भएको थियो अहिले पनि feel हुन्छ?
I don't know what it is, हैन. के अरे हाम्रो कन्टेस्ट हुँदाखेरि my kids they were jumping in the stairs के त्यो नाचघरको स्टेयर्समा एकदम धेरै जम्प गरिरहेको थियो. I was fully focused on that thing, हैन. उनीहरु जम्प गरेको हल्ला गरेर मामु मामु भनिरहेको त्यो कुरा मात्रै फिल हेरिरहेको थिए. And I was like looking for my family where they are भनेर, and there were like quite good number of supporters. त्यो बेला मेरो फ्यामिलीहरु रिलेटिभ्सहरु हुनुहुन्थ्यो. So I was really focused on that. अनि क्राउन लाउने बेलामा I could think nothing than just think of my family, हुन्छ नि. That moment I felt like okay, I did something. Wow, I'm so proud of you भन्ने मात्रै feel भयो थियो. And I didn't felt intensely about crying about anything त्यस्तो कुरा भएन. Just I felt proud about my own struggle with myself actually.
Okay. Then after lots of media coverage, interviews both in television channels, newspapers and FMs, and so one moment that you feel like now मेरो position has been enhanced somewhere, celebrity status I have attained, to feeling आयो या still कि yes त्यो moment मैले achieve गरेको कुराको recognition भएको छ, life is normal?
Yeah, I feel life is normal because that's your mindset के mindset हो. mindsetले तपाईलाई म माथि पुगिसके भनेर एउटा फुर्ती लाउने लेभलको पुर्याउँछ कि I am the same person with the same heart, just my position or my achievement has increased भनेर लिएर हिँड्ने. And I was the one who always thought मेरो achievement चाहिँ add up भयो लाइफमा, but I'm not somebody special to be recognized or given extra priority जस्तो feel चाहिँ खासै त्यस्तो भएन. And though I got so many respect, so much respect from people, still I get कुनै कुनै प्रोग्रामहरुमा जाँदाखेरि okay, says this भन्दाखेरि you feel proud about yourself and still हुन्छ नि कति मान्छेहरुले हेर्नुहुन्छ आफुलाई त्यो 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 एउटा छुट्टै नजरले, and that makes gives me courage and that gives me much more motivation to move forward in life.
So when you are being the part of the event, you have that pageantry life. You were somewhere mother to your kids, after family life. So managing everything additional to your pageantry training, was it been difficult for you, challenging for you, or it was somewhere easy because your family supported you?
Yeah, I got full family support and I'm a lot thankful to them. Each and every day still, I am so much thankful to them. किनभने अहिले आएको मेरो confidence, अहिले मेरो लाइफमा change भएको. If they were not there with me, if they were not supporting me, I would not achieve that thing. Though there was the phases where I used to have clash with my husband. हुन्थ्यो किनभने we both are human. अब एकैचोटी घर बसिरहेको मान्छे बाहिर जाँदाखेरि टाइमको मिल्थेन के मिल्थेन हैन, फ्यामिलीलाई फुल टाइम दिन सक्थेन, क्लासेस हुन्थ्यो. But we learned each other more, we got to know each other more. हाम्रो लाइफमा हामीले दुईजनाले मिलेर गर्नुपर्ने कार्यहरू के रहेछ त, हामी दुईजना एकअर्का बिना त फ्यामिली चलाउन गाह्रो हुँदो रहेछ भन्ने कुरा धेरै कुरा चाहिँ हामीले लेसनको रूपमा लर्न गर्यौं. And that's best thing. Yeah, so clashes हुन्थ्यो of course, it was hard.
So यही नोटमा let's know somewhere mantras भन्छन्, successful married life को मन्त्र सबै कपल्सहरुलाई इक्वली सेम नहुन सक्छ, but still on the basis of your experience, so what things are necessary to make married life successful?
Married life successful बनाउनको लागि understanding is the basic thing. अनि take life as fun. Nobody is promised tomorrow. आज छ भोलि छैन, धेरै फ्युचरको बारेमा स्ट्रेस लिएर पनि हुँदैन. अनि just enjoy life each and every moment as being a friend with your partner, because don't think them as he's my husband or he's my wife or she's my wife भनेर. Just think that they are we are best friend to each other. We have a long run to go. अनि हामी दुईजना जस्तो गरेर एकअर्काको दुःख सुखमा साथ दिएर अगाडि बढ्छौं भन्ने सोच्यो भने you don't have to you don't need any kind of mantras to move forward in life.
Okay. So we should feel that we are the partners in a journey with a defined destination. Where the destination is another, we need to be cooperative in both the hands, give and take. That's right. So we jump on to another segment. This is either and or. You need to pick up one option from the question and try to answer in very few words why. So your question is makeup or without makeup, and why?
Without makeup, because I feel comfortable and I feel very very fresh and energized, because that is who I am. That is what I believe.
Long hair or short hair?
I always get confused with this. Of course, I love long hair, but I have thin hair, so I have to keep chopping it to short.
Curly hair or straight hair?
Oh, both. I feel straight hair gives you sleek look and curly hair gives you sexy look. So both are my favorites. Though having a curly hair naturally, I would go for curly hair.
Pencil heels or block heels?
Block heels. I hate heels. The block heel is fine comparing both.
Party wear or formal wear?
Party wear.
Long dress or sari?
A long dress would be more comfortable for me.
Lip gloss or lip liner?
Lip gloss.
Because
it gives shine, and I feel it. The lips looks popped up, and I really love big lips.
Sleeveless or long sleeves?
Sleeveless, because I feel comfortable in sleeveless.
Summer or winter?
Summer.
School life or college life?
School life was fun because there was no responsibility at all.
Coffee or tea?
Tea, milk tea
Okay.
with masala.
Okay. Book or Facebook?
Book.
So
Book because, sorry?
Any preference on books?
Books,
You prefer-
actually, I always read motivational books. Monk Who Sold His Ferrari was a really nice book because it made me cry. I dived deeply into the characters.
Okay. Mrs. Nepal International or Mrs. Asia Pacific?
Mrs. Nepal International, of course, because Mrs. International journey was like a walking cat on the heartbreak because I was not fully prepared. Mrs. Nepal सक्किने बित्तिकै not even 1 month को time पनि थिएन. It was really rash and त्यो confidence थिएन त्यहाँ जाँदाखेरिको. Now I feel like, okay, if I was to go now, then I'll shatter the whole thing when feeling आउँछ. So of course, Mrs. Nepal, because this gave me recognition, and because of this, I got to go to the international platform in Singapore.
So there are two handsome gentlemen behind Ribbon Entertainment. So picking up the options, Ashwini Jha or Nishu Jha?
To pick up one?
Yep.
I choose Nisu sir.
Because?
He's like my brother. He keeps teasing me. We are like friends. We are like teacher at the same time. And we feel so comfortable talking. And Nisu sir is quite, I don't know, he was the mentor from the very beginning. And I still feel like he's a mentor and he's a teacher to me.
So we complete this one as well. We jump to another segment. This is ranking. म तपाईलाई तीनटा option दिन्छु र तपाईको आफ्नो choice अनुसार priority को आधारमा. So you rank 1, 2, 3. So if you need to text someone, what would be your preference? SMS, Messenger, or Viber? 1, 2, 3 मा के होला?
SMS, Messenger, or Viber?
हजुर.
Viber, Messenger, and SMS.
Okay. Likewise, if you need to make a call, will it be phone call, messenger call, or Viber call?
Phone call.
Then?
Viber call and Messenger.
Okay. Likewise, if you are very free and do the best among these three things on the basis of your priority, watching television, net surfing, or listening to music?
Net surfing, and then what was the option? Watching TV
and listening music.
And listening music, yeah.
Okay. So on the basis of the best you are in, dancing, acting, and singing.
Acting, dancing, and singing.
Okay. So among these three roles, which role you play the best? Mother, daughter-in-law, or life partner?
Mother, daughter-in-law, and wife. Life partner.
So you would love to address yourself on the basis of your choice: bold, bubbly, and beautiful.
Sorry?
Bold, beautiful, and bubbly. Which should we call you the first?
Beautiful, bold, bubbly.
Likewise, would you love to be called on the basis of your choice: creative, confident, and cooperative?
Creative, confident, and cooperative, yeah.
The last one: hardworking, honest, and helpful.
Helpful, hardworking, honest.
Okay.
Like,
now let's move on to the journey of international scene. So after winning the competition of Mrs. Nepal International, so you got at that opportunity to represent Nepal as 12th season of Mrs. Precisely TKS Mrs. International 2018. So when you have been offered this thing, so yes, you said, okay, I'm going to do this, or you told me I need to talk with my family, we need to plan, and then I'll let you know when organizer la भन्नुभयो.
International को लागि?
हजुर.
I told I will do this.
Okay. दोस्रो पटक सोच्नै परेन.
सोच्नु परेन because I had to do it anyway. किनभने this was the golden chance for me to take Nepal to international pageant, being a married woman, and which is really a very blessing, say, or which is really a very good thing that I could take forward in.
So from domestic scene to international scene, on the basis of experience, so what was the difference?
Yes, there was a huge difference. First of all, clothing was the main thing that we were lacking on, because internationally their dresses were like, okay, they were up to red carpet or what, जस्तो feel भइरहेको थियो. And our dresses were quite okay, kind of. अनि त्यस पछाडि languages त अब everyone were from different countries, so languages was not a big issue. And then confidence wise we were lacking a lot, because एक त international platform, सुरुमा हामीले उनीहरूको त ड्रेस अप्सहरू देख्ने बित्तिकै we were like flat, our energy and our confidence was like gone halfway. अनि त्यस पछाडि अब उनीहरूको boldness was so good, because हामी चाहिँ अब we are Nepali and we are not fully open to everything, so their confidence was on the top. And there were so many things which was really giving so much pressure into my head. Mrs. Nepalको जर्नीमा आउँदाखेरि नै I was so much depression को लेभलमा पुगिसकेको थिएँ, किन भन्दा मेरो चाहिँ borderline personality issue हो. मेरो personality issue को कारणले I keep diving into depression or त्यो एउटा mental state चाहिँ मेरो stable हुँदैन बेला बेलामा. So I'm on the medication, I want to clear this. अनि त्यो कुरा त्यो बेला थाहा थिएन, so it was really tough for me to live every day over there. किनभने and I would like to thank my organizers who were with us and who supported in every step, and they were the one who like pushed me forward, giving me confidence, inserting like good things of someone aisakyo, we can do so many things, we have to do. And of course the organization out there, they really loved me, because I was the one who was silent mostly, and I would not show attitude at all. I was friendly to everyone, and I kept smiling. So that was the best part. And international journey was quite thrilling for me, and this gave me really so much confidence and so many things that we were lacking when feel bhaira थियो. So yeah, I know last year जानु भएकोले चाहिँ they showed the best नेपाली पनि यस्तो हुन्छ भनेर देखाउनु भयो. हाम्रो पालामा चाहिँ it was first experience and it was quite tough to me.
So representing the country is somewhere opportunity as somewhere challenging as well. So how you best performed, that is why you earned the awards, category awards as well as major awards. International scene मा त्यहाँनिर विभिन्न देशको contestants बीचमा नेपाललाई represent गर्दा what you told about the country, नेपाल के हो भनेर कसरी चिनाउनु?
नेपाल के हो भनेर चिनाउँदाखेरि हामीले टेबल सोमै गरेको थियौँ कि हामीले हाम्रो नेपाली मन्दिरहरूदेखि लिएर माउन्टेन्सहरूदेखि लिएर दियो बत्तीदेखि सबै हामीले नेपाल झल्काउने नेपालको झण्डा, इट वाज एभ्रिथिङ वाज सो ब्युटिफुल एन्ड वेल अर्गनाइज्ड. हाम्रो टेबल चाहिँ टेबल सेटअपमा हुन्थ्यो हामी हाम्रो देश चिनाउने. अनि त्यसै वी गट द बेस्ट टेबल सेटअप अवार्ड पनि नेपालले त्यो बेला. सो नेपाललाई चाहिँ मान्छेहरूले अब चिन्ने भनेको ओके कन्ट्री विथ माउन्टेन्स, ओके ब्युटिफुल टेम्पल्स, त्यसरी चिनाइयो. एन्ड नेपालमा मान्छेहरूले अब कतिले नेपाल भनेर चिनेकै हुँदैन, अनि नेपाल भनेको यस्तो हुँदो रहेछ, नेपालमा पनि यस्तो लेडिजहरू हुँदो रहेछ, यतिको कन्फिडेन्ट भनेर इन्डियादेखिको सबैजनाहरूलाई चिनायो. एन्ड इट वाज रियली समथिङ रियली भेरी बिग थिङ द्याट वी ह्याड टु क्यारी इन आवर हेड, and which I believe we justified it very well.
So comparing the competition level, so domestic scene ma you found more competitive contestants, or international scene ma you found more competitive contestants?
Domestic ma I find it more competitive, because यस्तो हुन्छ फेरि हामीहरूको नेपाली सिनारियोमा हेर्ने हो भने we all are हुन्छ नि, हाम्रो चाहिँ एकअर्कालाई लिफ्ट गर्ने चाहिँ कमै हुन्छौँ बी फ्र्याङ्क. अनि लाइक फ्यु ग्रुप्स, एन्ड हाम्रो ग्रुपिजम चाहिँ त्यस्तो साह्रो भएन, दो क्वाइट ग्रुपिजमहरू थियो. अनि विच बिकज अफ द इन्सेक्युरिटी अरू के कुराहरू हुन्थ्यो, लाइक देयर वर सो मेनी अप्स एन्ड डाउन्स हामीहरूको फ्रेन्डसिपमा पनि, which really taught me so many lessons. And there were few friends, 2-3 friends who were like always standing by my side, and yeah, I'm so thankful and grateful for people that helped me, and yeah, यहाँको चाहिँ competition was quite tough because it was the basic thing that we had to learn, because international platform मा पुग्दासम्म चाहिँ we got to learn everything already by Sweeney sir. So it was quite easy. International platform was quite easy for us. Confidence अथवा केही चिज बोल्नु भनेर चाहिँ.
So we have some of your pictures. So let's recall the moments, and so let's define the pictures, where and how it was been shot. Moments or any alikati share garu.
Okay.
So let's talk about this picture.
So do I need to say?
Yeah. You need to say something about the picture.
यो तीजको प्रोग्रामको फोटो सुट थियो. अनि किनभने हाम्रो जहिले पनि मिसेस नेपाल तीजको वरिपरितिर हुन्छ, अनि तीजको टाइमको फोटोसुटको फोटोसुट हो. So everyone wearing.
Your grand finale को picture होला.
हजुर second round lehenga round थियो.
Okay. So your picture.
It's after winning the crown, I was also gifted this electric bike अनि त्यो photoshoot.
Okay. So you कुनै audition moment हो?
Audition moment of Mrs. Nepal 2019.
So you are to be judge here.
Yeah, I was amongst the judges.
So you पनि judgment के moment होला?
Yeah. I don't remember. Glam Mrs. Nepal Glam को उसमा judge थियो म त्यो बेला.
Okay.
Yeah, I got to judge so many shows, like, so I get confused with things.
So you've been appreciated.
Yeah, of course. This is a success party. This was a success party, yeah.
So after you won Mrs. Asia Pacific.
Mrs. Asia Pacific, yeah.
So कुन moment मा थियो?
यो त म like random party मा. My husband's friend's marriage मा जाँदाखेरि अनि I was wearing this. You know, म तपाईलाई यो चाहिँ कसरी हुन्छ, this is the dress designed by myself. चाहिँ हामीले मिस नेपालको फोटोसुटको बेलामा 2-piece dress I designed it. अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ like top up, quite winter थियो time, and to top up and to make it more glam and stylish मैले त्यो फरको स्कार्फ लाई लगाएर अनि बेल्ट युज गरेको थिएँ.
So you पनि judgment moment थियो.
Yeah.
Sanchita ji and Nirnay.
Yeah. Sanchita and Nirnay sir. हजुर.
So you कुन campaign को थियो?
यो हामीले campaign against human trafficking मा म माइती नेपालको तर्फबाट माइती नेपालसँग गएको थिएँ उता झापा मोरङतिर. अनि त्यो बेला त्यो फोटो हो यो.
So यो photoshoot.
This was photoshoot कुन बेलाको photoshoot थियो यो चाहिँ before going. यो इन्टरनेशनल प्लेटफर्ममा जाने बेलाको फोटोसुट हो कि? नो हैन. यो नयाँ 2019 को अडिसनको अगाडिको फोटोसुट हो.
So one more photoshoot.
This photoshoot was for CIFT Nepal. यो चाहिँ डिजाइनर्सहरुको कलेक्सन देखाउने एउटा नयाँ हामीहरुको मैले कलेज पढ्दा बेलाको टिचर लेख्नु भएको छ. त्यहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो डिजाइनर्सहरुको डिजाइन सोकेस हुन्छ and we get to sell also. अनि त्यो सेल गर्ने ठाउँमा and I am appointed as model पनि. अनि त्यो उसको लागि अनि फोटोसुट गरेको थियो हामीले. Are you still there? Hello?
into my head.
So अलिकति connection भयो. So those were all pictures. And now moving to other part, that is being a designer. So you are a graduate designer. So your designing part, like still you have been continuing र त्यो प्रोफेसनलाई कन्टिन्यू गरिरहनु भएको छ या कहीँ कतै त्यो रोकिएको पज भएको अवस्था छ?
मैले designing चाहिँ yeah, I've been working on my design, but specifically for me itself, मैले कस्तो अरूको लागि गरेको छैन. I've been designing for myself only. अनि त्यो इन्टरनेसनल स्टेजहरूमा जानको लागि कहिले काहीँ डिजाइन हुन्छ. अनि मेरो डिजाइन्सहरू चाहिँ कहिले काहीँ यस्तो हुन्छ इन्टरनेसनल क्लाइन्ट्सहरूलाई पनि डिजाइन मनपर्छ. अनि दे label their own label and this is how they sell it. Okay? So I'm still planning to have my own label so that I can sell on my own label.
So was it planned again? You want to be a designer, but the plan भएरै you started the course and completed, or again it was a part of your decision कि लाइफमा के गरौँ let's try out designing भन्ने?
Actually, I don't know why. Maybe God gives me के भने मेरो लाइफमा चाहिँ I never plan anything. Whatever comes in my way, I just do it. From marriage देखि लिएर पढाइदेखि लिएर and then the international journey, Mrs. Nepal, and everything was never planned, was never like in my head. Just बाटोमा like आउँदाखेरि okay, this is good or bad भनेर फ्यामिलीको डिसिजन त हुन्छ नि कसरी हुन्छ अनि ओके भन्दै अगाडि बढ्दै आएको अहिलेसम्म. अनि I'm so confident I'm successful. र यो एडुकेसनको कुरा लिँदाखेरि चाहिँ I also wanted to do this actingको क्लासेस गर्नु मन थियो. तर यो स्पेसिफिक यो इन्स्टिट्युसनहरू मात्रै रहेछ कि कति साइडदेखि पनि छैन रहेछ. So I thought of doing अब डिजाइनमा पनि मलाई पहिला पहिला त्यो पार्टिसिपेटहरू पनि बनाउँथ्यो आफ्नो सानो बेलामा पनि. I thought of jumping into that designing thing and this is really helpful for me. And yeah, of course, भनौँ न अब हजुरलाई आफूलाई डिजाइनिङ गर्नु लाउन मन लागेको जस्तो डिजाइन if you can get it by yourself, you can make it by yourself and that is just
So अहिले present momentमा do you want to be recognized as designer or not?
Yeah, of course. That is what I believe. Like, as a entrepreneur, of course, as a businesswoman, more than just a designer.
So every designer have their own way of designing the clothes, inspiration and such specialty and such. What inspires you the most to design anything?
Inspiration भनेको I haven't taken anything as inspiration. मलाई चाहिँ अब international design नै हेर्नु पर्दाखेरि I really love DMT because the floral patterns, तिनीहरूको प्याटर्नहरू एकदम मनपर्छ. साथै साथीको पनि डिजाइनहरूमा त्यो floral embroideredहरू हुन्छ नि that really catches my eye. अनि डिजाइनिङ चाहिँ बेसिकली म आफूलाई लगाउँदाखेरि त्यो डिजाइन राम्रो हुन्छ भनेर फिल गर्छु नि. अनि that inspires me a lot than anything. ट्रेन्ड यताउता भन्दा पनि just when I feel okay, this looks good on me, or I imagine myself, okay, you know, you might be add getting it to I design that way. I don't have like any specific person or any specific flowers are
So you do look after Divya Pasmina. So what exactly the this enterprise is all about?
We do export business. This is export. We export cashmere, cotton, and we do garments as well. And we basically export to European countries. So it's already been more than 20 years. So rather, this is a family business that we are taking over. So helping our family and it's basically about mutual.
So normally सबै मान्छेको एक किसिमको बानी हुन्छ आफूलाई त्यो कुरा आइसकेपछि अरूले गरेपछि मन पर्दैन भने जस्तै. So you yourself being a designer, when someone else designs clothes you, तपाईलाई एकदमै चित्त बुझिहाल्छ कि you find some kind of त्यो किसिमको एकै कतै खोज्ने त्यस्तो लाग्छ?
I don't find the defects. I'm a defect not a jump, I'm really about to keep from me. I really need to design like okay, it's my new design Rama before it is I'm actually one I'll add this to this thing and I will change it to my own style. I think that's creativity is all about. This is really
त्यो अहिलेको कन्टेक्स्टमा जाँदाखेरि हैन अब मिसेस एसिया पेसिफिकको जुन इन्टरनेसनल ब्रान्ड पनि तपाईसँग छ सो डोन्ट यु फिल कि आई शुड ओपन अ डिजाइनर स्टुडियो अब मिसेस एसिया पेसिफिकको डिजाइनर स्टुडियो भनेर मार्केटमा आउँदाखेरि द्याट कुड बी समवेयर अर्को अपर्च्युनिटी क्रिएट हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्दैन
No, I'm not thinking of anything. Designers studios are lot to say. Because even non-designers designing नपढेकोहरू पनि they are up to designing. किनभने त्यस्तो छ हाम्रो नेपाली मान्छे चाहिँ that's influenced by the Indian culture धेरै होइन Indian designers and I'm more into यो खालको fashion. So यसरी म आउटलेट खोलेर एउटा पिस मात्र गर्ने भन्दा पनि I'll just go for volumetric.
So since you have been the part of 2 married women contests, domestic scene, international scene, and still married women hesitate to be the part of this kind of competition. उहाँहरु आउनुहुन्छ audition मा आउनुहुन्छ कोही एक दुई दिनको ट्रेनिङ मा बस्नुहुन्छ and then they withdraw themselves. According to you, तपाईको एक्सपिरियन्सलाई काउन्ट अप गरेर so what they should be doing if they want something to do in their life marriage को life को challengesहरुलाई छोडेर if you wish to do something कसरी अगाडि आउनु पर्छ भनेर चाहिँ उहाँहरु इन्करेज गर्छ
म चाहिँ कसरी भन्छु भने do not compare yourself with others. सबैभन्दा ठुलो कुरा चाहिँ जब आफूले आफूलाई अरूसँग कम्पेयर गर्न थालिन्छ नि and then the negativity starts right over there. आफूले आफूलाई नेगेटिभली हेर्नु पनि आफूले आफूलाई अरूसँग कम्पेयर गरेको छ. So we are unique and every us of our unity भगवानले युनिटी बनाउनु भएको छ हामीले आफ्नो पोजिटिभ सोचहरू के हो हामीले आफ्नो सेन्सहरू के हो त्यसलाई अगाडि लिएर जानुपर्छ डोन्ट बी अ ब्याड बिचीहरू पनि हुँदैन डोन्ट बी अ ब्याड बिची पर्सन एन्ड नेभर इन लाइफ चाहिँ के हुन्छ नि मेरो हस्बेन्डले मलाई मन पराइहाल्छ अरूको लागि देखाउनु छ मेरो यस्तो भयो नि अथवा डाउटिङ गर्ने अथवा के भन्छ नि I have like listened this from so many women. So that's not the thing. कसैलाई देखाउने होइन कसैलाई देखाउनको लागि राम्रो बन्नु होइन कसैलाई देखाउनको लागि सिक हुनु This is for ourselves, for our confidence. Life-मा we have to respect that we are husband, we are married women. But that doesn't mean that we have to get stuck and then लाइफमा अब लाइफै छैन हस्बेन्डसँग मात्रै लाइफ छ भनेर हिँड्नु होइन हस्बेन्डसँग लाइफ हस्बेन्डलाई अगाडि सँगै लिएर जाने हो तर आफ्नो घरको कमी कमजोरीलाई सुधार्दै र आफ्नो स्किल्सहरूलाई अगाडि बढाउँदै बडी फिटनेसदेखि लिएर लुक्सदेखि लिएर सबैलाई काउन्ट गर्दै अगाडि बढ्नुपर्छ त्यो कम्पेरिजन चाहिँ एकदमै नगरौँ जस्तो लाग्छ कम्पेरिजन विथ सेल्फ एभ्रिथिङ कन्फिडेन्स बिल्ड
So according to you married womenहरुको लागि यो मेसेज एजेन्टहरु कति इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो
Of course, I see myself 2 years back and myself now. Now I've gained a lot of confidence and this gives me the courage and not just me, even my husband, my family are so proud of me. And कुनै चिजमा जाने कुनै चिजमा नजाने भन्ने कुराले हामीलाई कसरी डिफाइन गर्छ भन्दाखेरि हाउ वी टेक एभ्रिथिङ राइट हामी कुनै पार्जनमा जान्छौँ पार्जनमा जाँदाखेरि मोडलिङ मात्रै हो कि लुगा मात्रै लगाइ हिँड्नुपर्ने हो कि भनेर लिएर हिँड्छौँ कि अनि कतिजना चाहिँ अब ओके म त्यहाँ गएपछि जित्छु भनेर लिएर हिँड्छु Life is about learning experience. Let's learn it from everything, whatever comes our way. Let's learn. And pageant is also like this. Pageant is like something we go for the family. Luck to take the pageant. So we have to do this. Strong and luck to family. Luck to family. बाधाहरू पार गर्दै जानुपर्छ के के कुराहरू सिक्दै जानुपर्छ
भनेर सिकिन्छ सो लर्निङ इज द मेन बेसिक थिङ द्याट वी गेट टु get from the pageant. So it's really very good thing to go to pageant and just take the modeling thing, the glamorous thing out of the head before diving into it.
Okay. So we like to move on to final segment of our this talk show. So back to school भनेर we like to move on. यसमा you need to do some kind of translations Nepali to English and English to Nepali. पहिला हामी English to Nepali गर्छौं and then English to Nepali to English आउँछौं. So I pronounce some words in Nepali र तपाई being a designer related with your field कपडालाई इंग्लिशमा के भन्छ? Okay, somewhere cloth or fabric. रेशमलाई इंग्लिशमा रेशम. Okay. कपासलाई.
cotton,
Okay. ऊनलाई. ऊन.
wool,
Okay.
wool,
Okay. वेशभूषा या पोशाकलाई.
costume,
Okay. फुलबुट्टे साडी.
floral printed saree,
Okay. All the 100% correct. अब म English words are pronounce गर्छु. You need to translate them in Nepali. Beauty pageant.
सौन्दर्य प्रतियोगिता,
Okay. Judge.
हजुर,
Judge. Judge.
जसरी विभाग,
Beautiful. Okay. Somewhere.
सुन्दर,
Sundar.
हजुर,
Okay. Sundar. Beauty
सुन्दर,
is saundarya.
सौन्दर्य,
Crown.
क्राउनलाई क्राउन भन्छ होइन, के भन्छ क्राउनलाई?
So तपाईको शिरमा crown.
ताज, ताज,
Okay. Well said. So we complete all the segments. र हामी almost end of talk show, this smooth running talk show तपाईसँग र तपाईको पार्टिसिपेसन इन्भल्भमेन्टले पक्कै पनि इन्करेज गर्यो होला नै अरू वुमनहरु जो यस्तो प्रकारको प्रोग्राममा आउन चाहन्छ. Not only taking part in the competition but learning and setting example, inspiring people is very important one. Meanwhile, we have some of the people who are watching us. So तपाईलाई चिन्ने viewers हुनुहुन्छ. Sajina Ranabat is saying hello beautiful. Likewise, Ayush Rizal is saying, "Law, congratulations, Sanda Thapa Bauju, and nice voice." Yes, all the compliments for you, Sandaji.
Thank you.
So before we wrap the talk show and say bye-bye to you, so if you need to convey a message that is going to inspire Nepalese ladies wherever they are, wherever they come from, wherever they belong to, जुनसुकै ठाउँमा जुनसुकै अवस्थामा रहेको नेपाली महिलाहरूलाई इन्स्पायर गर्ने तपाईको कुनै मेसेज?
Never think that we are less than anybody. है, हामी केही भन्दा कम छैनौँ. We can do so many things in world. पुरुषहरू भन्दा शारीरिक रूपमा हामी कमजोर हुन्छौँ तर मानसिक रूपमा हामी एकदमै धेरै बलियो हुन्छौँ र साथ लिएर महिला भएर अब हामी बिहा भइसक्यो, एभ्रिथिङ हैज एन्डेड अप भनेर नसोचौँ किनभने इट्स वान टाइम लाइफ. हामीले गर्न सक्ने आफ्नो एक्सटेन्ट फुल्ली आफ्नो विङ्सलाई फैलाउनु पर्छ, आफूले गर्न सक्ने काम गर्नुपर्छ र या अफ कोर्स हामी महिला कोही भन्दा कम छैनौँ. Yeah, we have a lot of possibilities in the world. So don't think that everything is ended up after getting married. Marriage पछि नै कति कुरा स्टार्ट हुन्छ, म्यारेज पछि नै धेरै कुरा जानिन्छ, म्यारेज पछि पनि धेरै कुरा बुझिन्छ र हामीले फ्यामिलीलाई साथ र सहयोगको भावना राखेर साथ मागेर अगाडि बढ्न सक्छौं र डोन्ट बी रुड टु पिपल. मलाई साथ चाहिन्छ, मलाई अगाडि बढ्न हजुरहरुको हेल्प चाहिन्छ. I just want to convey this message that we are not less than anybody.
Okay, Chandajiले भने जस्तै, so we are all equal and we are not less than anyone. So male and female को बीचमा competition नभएर complementing भइदियो भने पक्कै पनि हामी हातमा हात जोडेर साथमा साथ राखेर अगाडि बढ्न सक्छौं. Because behind successful man there is woman and behind successful woman there is a man. So यो दुईटै कुरालाई आत्मसात गर्न सक्यो भने yes, we would be making the world a better place to live in. Thank you so much Chandaji for being part of this Speak to Me edition and wish you all the best. Stay happy, stay safe and all wishes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the invitation. And I am so happy that after a long time I could share my feelings, share my present journey. This is really amazing thing which transformed me to who I am today. And I'm so thankful to my organizers, my family, my friends, whoever were around me. I'm so thankful to you all, and I look forward to add achievements in my life, which will rank my position to the next level. And of course, you guys made me who I am, and I'm thankful to you all.
So with that, we come to the end, and thank you चन्दजी र चन्दजीसँगको यो कुराकानी सँगसँगै हामीले स्पिक टु मीको यो एडिसनलाई ऱ्याप अप गर्न चाहन्छौँ र अलवेज सेइङ द्याट यस लाइफ इज ब्युटिफुल मस्त रहनुहोस् व्यस्त रहनुहोस् र आफ्नो लाइफलाई इन्जोय गर्दै गर्नुहोला स्टे सेफ स्टे ह्याप्पी